AirTalk Wireless lets you add high-speed data in a couple of ways. The easiest methods are through the app, website, or by texting. Using the app, log into your AirTalk Wireless account, navigate to the Add Data section, select the amount you need from 1 GB to 100 GB options, and complete payment with credit card or PayPal. The website works similarly. Visit airtalkwireless.com, log in, and follow the same steps as the app. For SMS, send a text with the specific command. Check AirTalk's website for the most current SMS instructions. Once purchased, high-speed data is usually available instantly. Here's how adding 5 GB updates your balance. It's crucial to keep an eye on your AirTalk Wireless data balance to avoid throttling. The quickest method is usually through the AirTalk Wireless app. Simply open the app, and your remaining data will be displayed on the main screen. You can also check your balance on the AirTalk Wireless website by logging into your account. Look for a data balance or usage section. Another option is to send a text message with the word BAL to 611611. You'll receive a text message back with your remaining data, minutes, and account balance. Setting up low data notifications within the app is a smart way to stay ahead and prevent unexpected slowdowns. AirTalk will automatically notify you as you approach your data limit as of their 2025 updates.